Hi, my name is Bojic, your local agent with ROVI Homes. We're here at Collins Creamery. Whenever I have family visiting, I always make sure to bring them here to Collins Creamery, the best ice cream place that I know. One aunt came from Germany, one aunt came from Slovenia, had cousins come from Ohio, Oregon. We all came here to Collins Creamery. It's the memories that I made with my family here, and one of the owners, she's from England, or I think she started this farm. Actually last year she brought some compost to my house, and then she brought me some ice cream from here as well. I usually just get vanilla. Hey, thank you guys for hanging out with me and my friends today. If you guys are in Enfield looking for a home to buy, let me know. I'd love to help you out, and afterwards we can get some ice cream here at Collins Creamery. Take care, guys.